But here's where it gets controversial. As a long-day trail hiker, I rely on a mix of prepackaged meals and a flexible mail drop strategy. My goal is to maximize productivity while staying nourished. But here's where it gets controversial. When you're on a trail, how do you balance convenience with sustainability? And this is the part most people miss. Your diet must fit within a single ursack, packed tightly for space. However, I'm prioritizing high protein, dense meals over bulky snacks. This approach allows me to send my entire food supply safely to Canada, avoiding home dehydrated meals or repackaging ingredients from canned goods. In reality, my meals vary by day. Breakfast might include breakfast cereal, morning snacks could be nuts or cheese, and lunches may be tortilla-based or frozen. But for organization, I categorize my food items based on meal type. Now, what's the alternative for a normal thru hike? It's actually not different. Breakfast often consists of whole milk or peanut butter, but I prefer Nido whole milk powder. Snacks and lunch remain similar, but I've started experimenting with bar snacks and frozen meals to add variety. Dinner still includes cheese, but I'm focusing on balanced meals with less sodium and sugar. Despite these changes, I aim for a more sustainable approach. By planning ahead, I can enjoy the benefits of flexibility and a healthier lifestyle.